How to trade using WeBull app, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with trading on the WeBull application. So let's get into it. Now, if you haven't created your account already, I have a video on how you can get started with the WeBull application. So make sure to check that out before you get into trading. Now, if you already have a WeBull application, let's go on ahead and continue to our trading section. So to trade on WeBull, it's very simple. Now, on the bottom, you have your navigation panel, and on your navigation panel, you have a watch list. Now, in your watch list, you can add any kind of token that you want. So let's say I want to add Nvidia. And you can go on ahead and click on the top right heart over here, and this will add the token to your watch list. So in this way, you can monitor prices for a certain token as well. Now, a lot of you might be wondering, hey, I just want to focus on trading. Well, it's very simple. If you already have an estimate of what token you want to trade, you're going to go into the search bar on the top and search for that token. So you can search for any kind of token you want. So let's say I want to go on ahead and trade a loco. So whatever token or whatever crypto token or whatever stock you might want, you can go on ahead and open that up. And once you see this, so this will give you a chart of all the news of the specific token. Then you can click on the expansion of the chart to view the chart in detail. You can zoom this in or zoom it out. You can also take a look at the 5-minute chart. You can take the hourly chart, and you can take a look at the different indicators. So you have main chart indicators, you have the subchart indicators that you can use as well. And after that, you also have a drawing section. So you can go on ahead and add your own measuring tools. So this will enable you to read the charts a little better. Then after you scroll down, you have your order book, you have the auction crossing and NOI, the order flow distribution, the large scale orders and the positions, the short interest, and you can scroll down and just take a look at all of that information, because whenever you are trading any item, I always recommend to make sure you do a thorough analysis of that thing. So after you have done that, you can simply click on the bottom over here. So you can simply click on the bottom, as I was showing you guys, on the bottom right. So this little icon, the money icon, you're going to click that, and you can simply click on buy, and you can go on ahead and enter this into your portfolio. You can enter the date, you can enter the price and the quantity that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy one, and then after that I want to click on save. And then in this way, I can simply buy at the market value. So this will just buy at the market value. Now, a better way to purchase a token, if you want to put in limiting orders, which for a lot of people they do want to do, is you go back onto your basic profile. Just go into your profile, go into your menu on the bottom right. Then you can click on more. And this will show you the multiple different markets and the trading section. So you're going to click on paper trade. And after you click on paper trade, and you can go on ahead and click on quick trade or option trade. It's totally up to you. But I will click on option trade, and I will search for any token of my choice. So let's say I want to go on ahead and trade the FG Fairfax Fin. So this is the token I might want to trade. So this is going to be a option trade, and option trades allow you to do single options, covered stock, and you also have calls that you can make for a specific token or for a specific stock. Just make sure you know I'm using the terms token and stock interchangeably. I mean the same thing. Now, if you want to buy your token directly, so you can simply click on quick trade over here, enter the token of your choice. So I will simply enter the token of my choice, and let's say I want to buy the stock for First Advantage Corp. So this will open up the chart for that stock. And now I have a 1-day chart, I have 5-day charts, all the chart information is present over here. Then I can simply open the 5-day chart, let's say. Then you also have options over here. So you can take a look at the different calling and bidding and asking prices of this token to better understand the valuation. Then you can simply click on paper trading over here, and after that you can go on ahead and click on buy. Then you will have your order type. So a limit order means that you will put in a specific price, and the token will, or the stock will, only be bought when the price reaches that point. But if you want to buy at the current market price, you can put in a market order. So this will just buy the stock or the token at the specific market price, whatever the current going market price will be, it will buy it at that market price. So let's say I'm waiting for the price to drop a little and then I want to buy. So for that, what I will do is I will simply click on limit order. Then I will enter the quantity that I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 11 of these stocks. Then I will enter the price. So the current price is going for $14.68. and let's say I want to buy it when the price goes down to just $14. So I can just enter $14 and that is it. So when the price goes to $14, the stock will be bought. Now, after that, you have the option of time in force, and time in force basically means how long should this trade position be valued. So by this, I mean that let's say the price doesn't go down to $14 today. Maybe I want to buy it whenever the price goes to $14. Maybe it's today, tomorrow, the day after, even next month. I still want to buy this stock. So in that situation, you will change this to good till canceled. So until you cancel this order will remain up on the market and the order can, go on ahead and be processed at any time. And if you want the order to be canceled, so you're waiting for the price to go down to $14 today, and if it doesn't go down to $14 today, then you don't want this stock. So then you will click on day over here. So after that, you have trading hours. So if you want to trade only in regular hours or include the extended hours. Usually I do recommend pre-market and extended hours as well. So I like to enter extended hours, and then you will click on paper trade over here. And once you do that, you can see that my request has been added. So you can see that my request has been added, and I can take a look at the codes that I have. And then I also have the modify order option to later on modify my order as well. Now, if I go back into my basic menu and I take a look at my own, markets and my own stock options, if I go into the more section and take a look at all of my orders, so you can go on ahead in your paper trade section and click on orders over here. I can refresh this and you can see First Advantage Corp. I have a buy working order that has not gone through yet, and I have a total quantity. So this will enable you to monitor all of your stock positions or all of your trade positions from here as well. Then you also have your performance, where you can take a look at your account performance for the last time. So you can take a look at for the last week, for the last month, or for all time account performance. So this will enable you to see how much profit or loss have you been making on your WeBull application. After that, you also have quick trade. As I showed you guys, you can find any kind of token from there as well. And you can see you have your my position sections and you have open orders, and in your my positions you will even be able to monitor the items that you're selling. So if you're selling a token, then you will be able to find that token over here as well. So this is going to enable you to monitor your tokens in a far more advantageous way than if you were to just put out the orders and not really know where your finances are going, not really know or have a good hold of where your money is going at what time. Now after that, you even have sim holdings. So in sim holdings, you can go on ahead and take a look at your market value, and you can put in items in your own sim holdings to better be able to distribute or diversify your portfolio. Now, after that, you have some basic rewards and settings for the WeBull application, but that is it for the basic trade functions of WeBull. You can also add all of the stocks that you have bought and add them to your watch list. This just helps you in monitoring your positions or monitoring the stocks that you have, just to get a better estimation of the prices that you're going to get. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.